In the beginning, before time began, God made everything, the earth and the universe, and everything was empty and dark, but God's Spirit was moving over the waters. On day one, God said, "Let there be light," and it happened, there was light. And God said, "The light will be called day, and the darkness will be called night." And God said, "This is good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day two, God said, "Let there be a space between the waters of the heavens and the waters of the earth." And it happened. And God said, "The space will be called sky." And God said, "This is very good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day three, God said, "Let all the water gather together here. This is the sea. And let dry ground appear. This is the land." And it happened. And God said, "Let the land be filled with plants of every kind, with their fruits and their seeds." And God said, "This is good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day four, God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to mark out days and seasons and years." And it happened. God said, "The sun will shine in the day, and the moon and the stars will shine at night." And God said, "This is very good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day five, God said, "Let the sea be filled with fish and sea creatures, and let the sky be filled with birds." And it happened. And God said, "This is very good." And evening passed, and morning came. On day six, God said, "Let the land be filled with animals, wild animals, tame animals, big animals, small animals, animals that scurry along the ground." And it happened. And then God said, "Now we will make people. We will make them like us. We will put them in charge of the earth and all the creatures." So God made people, a man and a woman. He said, "I'm putting you in charge of the earth and all the creatures." Then God looked at everything that he had made, and he said, "This is very good." And evening passed, and morning came. So God completed all his work of creation. On day seven, God did no work. He said, "This is a special day, a day to rest."